Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So in this tutorial I will not only show you how to change the wallpaper but also how to use the options that this device offers us, because we've got plenty of different things that we can do with the wallpaper actually. So let me start. Let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to go to Theme and Personalization, so let's tap. And now localize this option, Wallpaper. Let's tap on it. So right here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got AI text to picture, which is a great option because you can change your prompt into the wallpaper. Here we've got inspired wallpapers that are interactive. I will show them to you in a second. And under it we've got those, I would say, regular wallpapers, so those which are static. They are pre-installed. However, here we've got also plenty of beautiful options to choose from. I mean, some kind of abstracts, some kind of landscapes, etc. So for sure you will be able to find something if you prefer to have those basic options. Obviously, if you want to, you can tap on this picture icon at the top and enter your own files and set your own photo as a wallpaper. So now let me begin maybe with inspired wallpapers. Let's tap on it. Basically here we've got, let's say, games that we can apply to our home screen. So for example, we've got I don't know, Eater Adventure, which looks like the snake. Here we've got something like the Tetris, etc. For example, here we've got the option in which we can just jump with a character and find those gems. Let me show it to you, for example. Let's tap on it, let's wait a second, and as you can see, this is what will be applied to our homepage. And what we have to do here is to simply tap, and the same interaction works if it is applied to the homepage. So you can basically just have fun without even opening any kind of game. Let me show it to you. All you have to do is to simply tap on apply, and as you can see, your device will immediately apply it. After getting back, you can see that it is really applied and we can just jump and collect those gems. However, be aware, at least in this option, if you will tap too fast, you will simply lock your device. So that's the drawback, I would say. So you have to be a little bit slower than normal. But that's a great option. I'm really quite impressed. But let me go back to the wallpapers. So here, as you can see, you've got a lot of things to do, a lot of things to check. Highly recommend that. Other option is AI text to picture. So let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got the place where we can enter our prompt, which will be simply changed to the wallpaper. And obviously, the more your prompt is detailed, the more accurate the AI wallpaper creation will be. So let me just enter something that I've tried before. So I want to generate a cat with flowers. I want them to be in the aquarelle style. You know, I just like it. And I want to make it maybe aquarelle style, and I want to make it realistic. Yeah, so let's simply tap on start generating, and now we have to wait. You do not have to wait here. You can just turn it off and the generated wallpaper will appear in the in your own photos in the specifically created album. So you do not really have to wait here, but I will just do it. And as you can see here, we've got our generated AI wallpaper. And obviously, all you have to do here is to simply tap on Set As, and now your device will ask you where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. And I'm not sure, I probably didn't mention that that those inspired wallpapers will be only applied to the home screen. It is not possible to apply them to the lock screen, at least the ones that I've tried before. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.